Hey, how's it going, everyone? Today, I'm going to teach you how to change name on PayPal business account. This tutorial is for Windows, but the process is same for other devices. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Go to the PayPal website, www.paypal.com, and sign in with your PayPal business account credentials. After logging in, click on the gear-shaped icon located at the top right corner of the page. This will open the Account Settings menu. In the Account Settings menu, click on Business Information on the left-hand side. This will take you to the Business Information page. On the Business Information page, you will see your current business name. Click on the Edit button next to your business name. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to edit your business name. Type in the new name you want for your business. After entering the new business name, click the Save button to confirm the change. Depending on the nature of the name change, PayPal may ask for additional documentation to verify the changes. Follow any prompts or instructions from PayPal to complete the name change process. Once your name change is successfully saved, PayPal will display a confirmation message. Your PayPal business account will now reflect the updated business name. I hope this video was of help. Bye.